Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel friends. Today guys we are going to talk about guys how can we reset our phone Bluetooth setting. Friends, you want to reset your Bluetooth setting, so friends you can reset. And guys now let's see how to reset Bluetooth setting in a Tecno phone. In this video friends I am going to show you guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like my video. So then first of all open your phone setting to reset your Bluetooth setting. So when scroll it and guys you can see guys your phone system setting guys, tap here. So friends, scroll it and as you can see reset option guys, tap here guys, click on your reset setting and as you can see Bluetooth setting we will tap here to reset. After this guys, click on the reset setting guys, you can see this confirm your pattern guys. So guys you have any pattern lock password, so withdraw your pattern and guys means enter your password and guys click on reset setting. As you can see setting has been reset, then guys your Bluetooth setting has been reset and guys you can use guys your Bluetooth setting without any problem guys. After that guys you have any problem in your Bluetooth setting, so you take a screenshot of your phone model number, send me on comment section. Unless you want to connect your device guys, you can connect from here guys. You can use your Bluetooth setting. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video friends. We will meet on next video. Bye bye friends.